Courses and learning in ampEducator are fully integrated, giving schools a complete LMS experience without needing a separate system. Courses can be delivered as part of a program or offered on their own, giving institutions flexibility to support full credential pathways, single course enrollment, or specialized training. When students enroll, ampEducator connects them to the appropriate active courses based on how your institution is structured, while staff remain in full control over what is available and when. Students experience everything through the student portal, where they can view their courses, lessons, assignments, grades, attendance, and academic progress, all organized in one place. Behind the scenes, instructors and staff manage everything through the staff portal, where they can design full course experiences with lessons, videos, documents, interactive content, and structured learning modules. As students engage with course content, ampEducator automatically logs activity and participation, giving schools built-in visibility into progress, time spent, and learning engagement. Courses can also be built as reusable templates, making it easy to deliver consistent instruction across terms, cohorts, or multiple locations without starting from scratch each time. Students can submit assignments online, complete evaluations using rubrics or even non-graded feedback tools, and track completion as they move through course requirements. ampEducator supports quizzes and assessments of any kind, from quick knowledge checks to fully graded exams. Multiple choice testing can even provide instant results directly in the portal. For secure online delivery, ampEducator includes advanced proctoring with built-in identity verification, tab monitoring, look-away detection, and automatic security enforcement, ensuring academic integrity even in fully remote environments. Courses can also include configurable collaborations, allowing schools to easily connect live sessions through Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. And with built-in discussion boards, students can stay engaged, ask questions, and collaborate directly within the course environment. Gradebook activity syncs instantly, and schools can even tie attendance directly into academic performance when needed. With ampEducator, courses, learning, and student engagement all live inside one connected academic system, accessible through the student portal and flexible enough for in-person, hybrid, or fully online delivery. Start your free trial today at ampeducator.com.